Keith Meals here with On Time Construction Consulting and On Time Home Reminders. So we're here on our Winter Springs project that we're finishing up right now. So this was a full kitchen renovation where we redid the entire kitchen. So this is the one with our porcelain countertops in that a lot of you saw earlier. So this is a beautiful project, turned out great. Took out a wall that was there separating these two spaces. So put all new cabinets in to reuse their appliances. Since they had newer appliances, they wouldn't be able to do that, so which is perfectly fine. So put in the porcelain, extended the space back here to give them more space. So you see the great trim work that was done. So with the nice header piece with the crown and the freeze board, so the apron and sill down here for wood apron and sill to give that a nice finished off look. So homeowners provided all the fixtures in this one, so they went out and found the fixtures that they liked. So for the fixture there, we changed all the lighting out to the LED recesses, repainted the whole space, redid all the flooring. So put in 4-foot long plank flooring, so it looks awesome. A very continuous look throughout everywhere, as you can see. So up in the front, we added in a couple of doors here. It's double doors with a transom piece of glass up above the doors to go ahead and make that a very open and bright space also. Great job by the whole team. So we are just about wrapped up on this. The homeowners are exceedingly happy. Make sure you give us a call whenever you're looking to do your next project. We want to make yours look exactly how you want in your dreams. Have a great day.